Hello and welcome to my channel. So in this video I will talk about the difference between section and frames. So first of all I'll be showing few similarities between them, and then I'll be moving to the differences. Okay, click on this frame. Okay, and then going to draw a frame including these three shapes. Okay, done. Now I'll do the same thing but with section. Okay, see, now if you carefully look into this, like uh, when you include these three shapes inside a section, then automatically you will see which shapes are getting selected. Okay, so yeah, now the things are quite similar between these two things. Okay, I can rename them. Okay, for example, I'll write here squares. Here I'll rename it as circles. Okay, and also if you select both of this and then you change the color, you can also change the color here. Okay, now what is the difference between these two? Okay, so if you click on this object, okay, then you will see that you are getting these options here, constraints in the frame in the frame you get this options, the constraints. Okay, but if you come to this section, then there is no constraints here, constraint option is not there. Okay, so if I want to move the objects outside the frame, then you cannot so this is not going to exclude the object, but the object will be inside the frame only. What you have to do is you have to click on the object and then move it out. Okay, but here if I talk about the section, if you click on it and if you see, so this is automatically going to exclude the other objects here. Okay, so this is another difference here. And you can also do the same thing with this section. See, you can also move things outside the section, so that is possible in section also. Okay, and also you can do this in this way with section. And also one thing more, you can see that, like if I zoom in, you will see this option here. Okay, so in case of section, you can quickly click on this option here. Okay, ready for development. Okay, so like this the developers will get to know, okay, these things are ready for development. Okay, so this is how also you can click on this remove ready status. So this option is only available with the section here. Okay, now now if I would say that when do we need to use this both? Okay, so frames are best for designing layouts, and sections are best for presentation and also for developer handoff. So yeah, that's it for this video, and I hope now things are clear, and let me know in the comments if you have got any doubts. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.